Northrop Grumman's MQ-4C Triton unmanned aircraft system provides the Australian government with an unprecedented ability to collect multiple types of intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance information over vast areas of ocean and coastal regions. Triton can fly surveillance missions for more than 24 hours at altitudes exceeding 50,000 feet. This endurance and altitude makes Triton the only unmanned aircraft system capable of covering Australia's 8 million square kilometres of economic exclusion zone, as well as outer territorial islands, in a single mission. Based on Global Hawk, the United States Air Force's combat-proven unmanned aircraft system, Triton was developed by the US Navy to meet demanding maritime surveillance requirements. As the Royal Australian Air Force's MQ-4C Triton, the system will provide an unblinking eye over the Commonwealth's maritime domain. Designed from its inception to work in partnership with a manned P-8 Poseidon maritime patrol aircraft, Triton will enable the RAAF to optimise use of manned maritime assets. Of critical importance, Triton's multiple intelligence-gathering payloads allow military commanders to gather high-resolution imagery, use radar to detect targets and provide airborne communications and information sharing capabilities to both military and government agencies across long distances. Each payload has the ability to scan areas in a 360-degree field of regard, allowing coverage out to 300 nautical miles at a time. Maritime tracks, imagery and signals intelligence are processed on board and relayed to ships, land and other airborne users via line of sight or satellite communications links in any weather, day or night. Triton's advanced capabilities will also operate as a server in the sky, allowing military units over the horizon to communicate with each other and share mission-critical data. In addition, by flying at altitudes exceeding 50,000 feet, Triton can remain above the strong winds, severe weather and commercial air traffic that often restrict the operations of other manned and unmanned surveillance aircraft. While flying at these unmatched altitudes and at any time during the mission, Triton can rapidly descend to lower altitudes to further identify and relay imagery of any maritime target. Triton can provide wide area surveillance over Australia's vast territory while using a small, highly trained workforce and at a fraction of the cost of other manned and unmanned systems, allowing Australia to more efficiently use those platforms for other missions. As well as its military missions, Triton can perform critical civil and scientific tasks. These include search and rescue, border and infrastructure security, cyclone and earthquake damage assessment, illegal fishing detection, bushfire response and environmental monitoring. As a national security asset protecting Australia's interests in the Asia-Pacific, Triton would transform the Australian Defence Force's maritime surveillance capabilities and help secure vital ocean resources and territorial integrity.